Hello guys, so we are going to test the new Hoover, the new antique member I recently just got 2 weeks ago, and this is the Hoover Decade 800 Heavy Duty, along with the Kirby Classic 32CB. Put the bag down, same on this one. We're going to start with the Hoover Decade 800, so here we go. Not bad at all. Oh, just a little. How about the Kirby Classic 32CB? Did a lot better than the Hoover because the Hoover is kind of a little bit smaller. So let's try the Hoover again, and we'll see if we can try the Hoover again. Kind of getting full. So anyway, let's finish it up with the Kirby Classic 32CB. Yep, so anyway, that does it for the video. Stay tuned for the Thanksgiving vacuum test coming on Thursday. See you then.